equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson V10 may exhibit symptoms such as reduced suction power or unusual noises, often indicating a motor failure. This can occur due to wear and tear or blockages, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage and costly repairs. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. To begin, ensure the device is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Carefully remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum using the appropriate screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing to expose the internal components. The motor is typically located near the top of the device, identifiable by its distinct shape and wiring. Disconnect the cables attached to the motor, taking care to note their positions for reassembly. Remove the screws securing the motor in place and gently lift it out. Replace it with the new motor, ensuring it fits snugly into the housing. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are secure and correctly positioned. As you reassemble the device, be cautious not to pinch any wires or damage nearby components. Once everything is back in place, test the vacuum to ensure it operates correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. This will help maintain optimal performance and extend the life of your Dyson V10. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.